Hello and welcome to our tutorial about logging into our member portal called Member Direct. From the home page, you will either click on the member login link at the top of the website or the green Member Direct login button on the right side of the screen. Keep in mind that there are multiple links in the site that will send you to Member Direct as well. These are context-based links, so they will open in the Member Direct page relevant to the link that you clicked. So if you use the Member Login button, you input your username and password there. If you use the green Login button, you are taken to Member Direct's main screen to log in. If you had a Web Member Services account previously, you will use the same information you used to log into that. The only difference is your password will be all lowercase. I will be reviewing an active member account in this tutorial. I will give you a moment to log into your own account. If you are experiencing trouble logging into Member Direct, please contact SBCERA by emailing support@sbcera.org, or you can call at 909-885-7980. Once you're logged in as an active member, the first page you will see is your account summary, unless you clicked a link that sent you to a specific area in Member Direct. The information in account summary is self-explanatory, but if you are unsure what it means or your account seems inaccurate, please contact us. Let's move up to the top menu on the right in the Communications section, labeled Correspondence. Here you will find various types of correspondence you might have with SBCERA. Correspondence we have produced for you, like a request for consultation or an entry date adjustment letter because of reciprocity, would be in this section. Also, any disability correspondence would be viewed here. The next section is for member statements that have either been requested or run by SBCERA as part of our monthly member statement distribution. Next, we move into the member information section. The first menu item is the account summary again, so we will go to demographics. This section is also self-explanatory, but please check if your phone number and email are correct and change them if necessary. If you do change them in Member Direct, you also must change them with your employer. If you don't, your employer's information on you will override your Member Direct changes. Nominated beneficiary is the next section. This is an important area that needs to be accurate. If something were to suddenly happen to you, this person would receive any death benefits upon your death. If this section is not accurate, you will need to fill out a beneficiary designation change form that is located in the online forms section. Next, we can go to the estimate a benefit section. This process takes a little time and explanation, so stay tuned for a tutorial specifically for this process. In the meantime, you can create an online estimate using this tool, you can request an estimate using an online form, or you can call SBCERA and request that a benefit estimate be generated for you. Benefit estimates is followed by a section showing the estimates that are in progress or have been generated. We now move to the Seminars section. Click on Register. The seminars being offered by SBCERA are in the bottom section. You may or may not be eligible to attend. If you are, you can register for the seminar and it will be in your My Seminars area. Finally, we have our online forms. You can either download a form to fill out in print, or with select forms you can fill them out and submit them electronically. These forms will show up in your correspondence section. At the bottom of Member Direct are some additional menus. Most of these are self-explanatory, so I won't go into them. However, the one menu I would like to explain is Communication Preferences under Settings. The first section, Correspondence Preferences, tells SBCERA the primary methods you would like to receive information from SBCERA. If you choose mail as your distribution method, you will receive all correspondence in the mail. If you choose email, a majority of correspondence will be emailed to you, some as a secure PDF. Certain legal documents and member services documents are still required to be mailed. In choosing either selection, certain correspondence will end up in the Communications Correspondence section no matter what. The E-Correspondence Selections section allows you to receive specific notifications or documents via email. These selections allow you to override a distribution choice of mail for certain correspondence. Active and deferred members will receive an email notification when their member statements are available in Member Direct. They will be available to view their member statements in the Member Statements section and will no longer receive a paper copy. Retirees and beneficiaries will receive an email notification once the benefit payroll has run. They will no longer receive a paper direct deposit advice, but will be able to view their monthly benefit payment information online. By selecting 1099-R, be aware that 1099-Rs will still be mailed to you. This selection will send you a notification when 1099-R information is available to you via a non-official 1099-R information sheet. By selecting Newsletters, all members and beneficiaries will be notified when SBCERA's quarterly review newsletter is available on the SBCERA website. SBCERA encourages our members to select email as their distribution method and to elect to receive information via e-correspondence. Thank you very much for watching our tutorial, and keep a lookout for additional ones.